to read the passage. Begin reading now. To part of a lecture in a psychology class.
Now, a study was done that illustrated this phenomenon. In the study, people were given an ordinary task that everyone has probably done before. They were simply asked to peel potatoes, and to peel as many potatoes as possible in a given amount of time. Okay, so some people worked alone, and they were told that the number of potatoes they each peeled would be recorded. Others peeled potatoes together as part of a group, and they were told that only the total number of potatoes peeled would be recorded. So it would be impossible to tell how many any one person had done. Then researchers compared the results of the people who worked alone and those that worked together to see if there was any difference. That is, they took the average score of the people working alone and compared it to the average score of the people working together in a group. And they did discover a difference. It turns out that people working as a group peeled significantly fewer potatoes than people who worked alone.
Using the example from the lecture, explain what social loafing is and how it affects people's behavior.
Please prepare your answer after the beep. Please begin speaking after the beep.
And the lecturer tries to illustrate social loafing. Social loafing is that people cannot do tasks efficiently in a group. The professor gives an example of experiment to illustrate this topic. In the experiment, the people did ordinary tasks to peel potato, and there were two groups. The first one is worked together, and the second group worked alone. As a result of this experiment, the worker worked as a part of a group could not do well compared with the people who worked alone. This is an example of social loafing. Thanks to this, the professor exemplified this difficult task.
Number 5.